Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text box background transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go your text box slide. Then select this text box. Then go to shape format option. Then go to shape fill drop down menu and click no fill. Then again select this text box. Again go to shape format and go to shape outline and select this no outline. Here you can see I make text box background transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.